Hello everyone, welcome to another TikTok tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to your TikTok account. First of all, open the TikTok app, and in the TikTok app there is me option in the bottom right corner of the screen. You have to tap on that and you'll be taken to your profile. So to connect your Instagram account to your TikTok account, you just have to tap on edit profile, and from this page you can connect your Instagram account or your YouTube account. To connect the Instagram account, look for the Instagram option on the screen, which is the second from the bottom. So tap on that and you will be redirected to the Instagram login page. So just log into your Instagram account from this page and your Instagram account will be connected to your TikTok account. This is everything you need to do to connect your Instagram account to your TikTok account. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.